moment of my time I've spent here. I had a wonderful time of looking at the beautiful view of Tamil Nadu from thousands of feet height. Now let's see what elephant safari brings for me.
Now, next event is elephant ride with Suji. Yes. So I had very awesome trip with Suji so far. Suji had taken us to many places and I really enjoyed. And I think this bumpy ride is almost over from Tamil Nadu to Kerala.
Now it's in a jeep massage.
Or yeah.
Jeep massage.
So CG says it is jeep massage. So Kerala massage I had heard of, and now I know what is jeep massage. Yeah. So jeep massage is over, and now we are back to we are heading towards Elephant Point where we'll start elephant ride. Right. So I hope to be on an event in few minutes. It's very bumpy.
Meenakshi and Lakshmi.
Meenakshi and Lakshmi.
Yeah.
So name of elephant is Meenakshi.
Rani.
Rani. Okay.
Meenakshi and Rani.
Meenakshi and Rani. Okay. There are two elephants. One is Meenakshi and the other is Rani. So one of them will be my friend.
Her name is Bullet Rani.
Bullet Rani. Okay. Okay. Mom is enjoying at the front seat. So she never sits with me when I drive, but now she is comfortable sitting with in a jeep with such a bumpy ride. Yes. So finally I'm at elephant ride. An elephant is ready. An elephant is ready. Elephants are waiting for us. Oh, Meenakshi. Yes. So Meenakshi is the one who will take me through. Yeah. So Meenakshi is here. I hope to have a good ride of Meenakshi already. So, elephant ride. So they're just going, but let me see how these elephants live. And I don't know if I'm allowed to go inside, but Meenakshi has gone to take bath. It's too hot in Kerala. Oh, this is awesome. I don't know what is this. I see crocodiles and I see a man holding banana and other animals, bird, many things. So I don't know what is this. Yeah, but this must be something symbolizing Kerala, right? And this is Christmas tree. So all over the way, I see Christianity. Christians are there. There are so many churches and so many things. Oh, I'm not allowed to. I was trying to jump in and I was trying to see the elephant and how he was. So let me explore more things. And yesterday I was trying to post few good contents on Facebook Live, but somehow I couldn't do that. Yeah, I can capture it from here. Yeah, that's awesome. See how she's bathing. If I can capture it from here. So yeah, so finally I could capture. इस तरफ जा सकता हूँ, इस साइड जा सकता हूँ ना, थोड़ा दूर से. Okay, yeah, fine. So he's saying थोड़ा दूर से, man, I'll be at a good distance from this Rani, and Rani is enjoying bath. I'm too far away from her, I guess, and she is enjoying bath. Let me see. Yeah. So this is Rani's big bathroom. Water tank is there and she's bathing. After that probably I'll enjoy a ride, and she's drinking water as well. Wow, awesome. So she's my new friend Rani, and I'll go on ride with her very soon. So yeah, so this was a view of bathroom of my elephant Rani. Yeah, so I was talking about Facebook, which was like which I couldn't post my yesterday's live video. I'll not go with Rani. I'll not go with Rani. Parvati has come. Oh, I forgot. What is her name? Rani, Bullet Rani. So then, who was she? Meenakshi. Oh, Meenakshi was taking bath. So this is Rani. Okay, I'll be going with Rani. Right. So Rani is here now. Rani is here now. Yes. So let these people get off, and then after that, Mummy and Papa will take a ride. Huh?
40 years old.
Who? Oh, 40 years. She's of 40 years. Rani, 40 years old. And Meenakshi?
35 years old.
35 years. Rani is older. Yeah, but she still looks very young. Yeah.
This Bullet Rani is strength and right.
Okay. What is his name? Mahavat? इनका नाम क्या है?
भैया का
हाँ?
राजन.
Rajan आपका नाम है. Very good. So I'll go with Rajan, and Rajan is Mahavat for this Bullet Rani. Yes, so finally time to board and time to start my elephant ride. Mom is very happy. Papa is also happy. Right. Yeah. So we'll be going with Rajan. Rajan is Mahavat, Mummy and Papa. They're excited to sit and then ride. We'll start and then we'll just capture a few of the good photographs. Yeah.
Left leg first.
So CG, help her. CG will help my mom to sit on the hathi. So we had a wonderful time so far with CG, and I hope CG will take us to many good places. So now Thekkady is due, and after that we'll spend night at houseboat in Kovalam. Sorry, Alleppey. Yeah. So this is how it was. Mom and Papa has already taken their seats, and now it's time for me to board the elephant. On elephant, Rani. Meenakshi is probably now ready after bath, and she'll go with someone else. Yes. And Rajan is trying to capture our pics. He has taken many pics, and he's asking for camera.
Photo open.
Okay. I'm giving it to you. One sec, huh? So we can continue. You use that camera only. I'll give it to you. Yeah. So somewhere in jungle. And इधर से वापस या उधर भी जाना है? उधर जाना है ना? उधर से चलेंगे. हाँ. Okay, for photo. Yeah. So he wanted us to take pose for photo. Yeah. Yeah. So Rajan can pick words, but probably when it looks he don't understanding Hindi and English both. But CZ, my driver, he was saying that Hindi is compulsory till 10th standard in India, in Kerala. Nowadays, yeah. Papa is saying nowadays, so yeah, nowadays it is. So Rajan is an old person, so probably he won't be knowing Hindi. Yeah. So this was a small ride, elephant ride. It was amazing, and I didn't capture everything because I was enjoying ride, but whatever I have covered was very good. So this elephant ride is better than the one I had in car. Yeah, jumpy ride in jeep was amazing. I love that. And the best part was I saw a snake that was climbing on the bamboo tree, and I was able to step in Tamil Nadu. And I stepped out from Kerala, stepped in Tamil Nadu. I captured some of the good views, and then again I came back. It's look. I don't know what he's saying, but probably Wapis Chal and in Malayalam. And this elephant understands what he's saying. He understands instruction of his master. Yeah. Oh. Fantastic. And jackfruit. This is a jackfruit. small jackfruits in a tree. And
वैसा ही निकलता है वही
yes,
उसी पॉइंट से
that comes from those points only. It comes out from stem. So this is how one more event is accomplished, and I'm almost done with elephant ride as well. Yeah. So it is good. It is good. It is good. Okay. So he's asking for dakshina. I understand what that dakshina is. Yeah, we'll surely do that for his service. And finally Meenakshi is ready. She is now, after a bath, probably she is taking her lunch. Yes, lunch or something. So after lunch she'll go on another ride. So yes, Meenakshi is there. Yeah, we'll do that. यहाँ पे. So he's asking for dakshina. Dakshina, good word. Right. So he deserves that. This is how he earned. So finally, Meenakshi is ready. Meenakshi is ready now. She's looking very fresh. She is looking very fresh. And after lunch, she'll go back on the duty. And this is how this elephant ride is accomplished. I'm back to pavilion, and Sisi is waiting for me with camera. Yeah, and finally we are just going down. Thank you.